All right, we're talking about numbers 9 and 10. Number 9 said sine of pi over 12. So basically, pi is 180. 180 divided by 12 is 15. So we double that, we get 30. So using the half angle formula as the sine of 15 would be 1 minus the cosine of u. So 1 minus cosine 30 over 2. All right. Cosine 30 is root 3 over 2. So we end up with 1 minus root 3 over 2. That has a denominator of 2. So we multiply everything by 2 over 2 to get a common denominator. We end up with 2 minus root 3 over 2 over 4 over 2. As a result, all the 2's cancel out. So you're just basically changing it into a less complex rational expression. Square root of 2 minus 3 over 4, since 4 is a perfect square, we can do the square root of that. Square root of 4 is 2. So we end up with the square root of 2 minus 3 over 2. Tangent of 17 pi over 12 is the tangent of 255. That makes 2u 510. So you can use either of the formulas. You're still going to get the same answer. I used 1 minus the cosine of u over the sine of u. So we plug in 510 for u. We take away the 360 because we want it between 0 and 2 pi. So we end up with 150. The cosine of 150 is negative root 3 over 2. Subtracting negative turns it into a positive. So we have 1 plus root 3 over 2 over the sine of 510, which is positive 1/2 because that's the sine of 150. Dividing by 1/2 when you bring in reciprocals is multiplying by 2. So we end up with 1 times 2, which is 2. And then the 2's cancel out in the second part, giving us a final answer of 2 plus root 3.